Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north on the Galena Main Road towards Seaview Drive. To the left, you can find Galena Seventh-day Adventist Church. On the right is 3 Miles Lane, and to the left is the Galena Primary and Infant School. Turning onto Seaview Drive, and if we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Racecourse, Aracabessa, Boscobel and Ocherius, as well as to Montego Bay and Negril. On the left is Coombs Avenue. On the left is Bel Retro Avenue. Seaview Drive ends here. Just ahead, to the left, is Galena Point, and there you can find Galena Lighthouse. Turning back towards the Galena Main Road. On the right is Belle Retro Avenue. On the right is Coombs Avenue. We are back at the Galena Main Road. Going right will take you to Racecourse, Aracabessa, Boscobel and Ocho Rios, as well as to Montego Bay and Negril. Going left will take you to Castle Garden District, Port Maria, Anata Bay, Port Antonio in Portland Parish, and also to Kingston and St. Andrew Parish via Junction Main Road. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.